Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to claim NC2 certificate. Gather your certificate receipt, valid ID, and proof of training before starting the application. Begin by confirming eligibility with the training center or TESDA portal and choose online or in-person processing. Complete the required form accurately and upload clear scans. Keep a record of payment and reference numbers and monitor status until you receive pickup or delivery instructions. In this video, I will show how to claim NC2 certificate. Start by logging into the Training Center portal or visiting the TESDA service counter and select the NC2 claim option. Enter your personal details exactly as shown on your training record and upload clear photos or scans. Pay the processing fee, save the receipt, and note the reference number. Use that number to track progress and follow up if needed for faster release. In this video, I will show how to claim NC2 certificate. If you encounter rejections, review comments carefully, correct mistakes, and resend clean documents. For lost or damaged certificates, ask the training center about reissue steps and any additional fees. Keep all receipts, reference ID, and correspondence handy to speed up support requests. When in doubt, call the official helpline or visit the office with your ID and proof of training to resolve issues directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.